Hello and welcome to pmclounge.com. Today we are looking into Capm exam fee. Now, as you're already aware, Capm is also a certification provided by PMI, the Project Management Institute. So just like PMP, we have Capm, which is also related to project management. It is called Certified Associate in Project Management. One of the prerequisites of PMP is that you are supposed to have about 3 years of project management experience. But let's say you are someone who's fresh out of college. You are someone who's new in the industry and you do not have that experience. Then you can go ahead and target the CAPM certification, the CAPM exam. So we have covered several videos on CAPM earlier as well. The first link in the description is going to take you to the entire playlist, so do check that out. We've also covered sample questions on the CAPM exam from PMI itself. So do check that playlist out. First link in the description, very, very important. Now let's find out the exam fee for CAPM. And for that, you need to head over to my favorite website, pmi.org. So this is the official website of the Project Management Institute. If you click on certifications, here's a list of all the certifications provided by PMI. And here you'll find CAPM, the Certified Associate in Project Management. So if you go down, you will find the fees required to be paid for this certification. If you're a PMI member, you need to pay $225. If you're not a member, then you need to pay $300. Now, one thing important to understand here is, what if you would want to become a PMI member and then take up the CAPM exam, because that is going to save you $75. So here's membership. If you click on membership, you will find the link to become a PMI member. So when you click on become a PMI member, this is the web page that is going to open up. And here you can see registered user. It is free. Anyone can come in and create an account. But if you want PMI membership, you need to pay $129 per year and an initial one-time $10 application fee as well. So $139 is what you need to pay before you can pay the required $225. So that comes out to be 225 plus 139, which means the fees for the exam as well as the fees for PMI membership. However, if you don't want that membership, 300 is the total that you need to pay for CAPM exam. So that's the exam fee for you. Yes, there are prerequisites and you may find 1,500 hours of project experience, but this is not mandatory. You can also have 23 hours of project management education completed by the time you sit for the exam. And in fact, PMI themselves have provided a project management basic online course, and this course actually fulfills the education prerequisites. But if you're someone who's in the college itself, you can still take up this project management basics course, which will give you the required 23 PDUs. And again, if you're not a member, you need to pay $400. If you're a member, you need to pay $350. And you can purchase this basics program that will give you the 23 PDUs required to appear for the CAPM exam. So that's your total cost that will be required, the total fee that is required for the CAPM exam. Hope that was clear. Hope this video helped you in understanding what is the total exam fee. A quick word here before we end the video. If you are looking to prepare for your PMP exam, head over to pmclounge.com/resources. This is where we have listed our favorite books to prepare for the PMP exam. Note that PMP and CAPM have the same courseware, so these books can be used for CAPM exam as well. So that's all that we had in this video. Do hit the like button if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified whenever we upload new content. And don't forget to check out the website pmclounge.com, your #1 free PMP resource. Thank you and have a nice day.